Welcome to the 5th episode of our Beginner's Guide to Investing series. In this video, we're introducing Venture Capital Trusts, or VCTs, a unique investment opportunity for experienced investors. A VCT is an investment company listed on the London Stock Exchange and managed by a venture capital firm. It provides investors with exposure to a portfolio of young, often privately owned businesses, ranging from startups to more established enterprises across various sectors. VCTs raise money through share offers and invest in companies that meet the government's VCT criteria. These businesses may be private or listed on AIM, but they all share a common goal: growth. Of course, not all VCT investments succeed. Some businesses may fail, but by holding shares in a VCT, you gain exposure to a diversified portfolio. However, investing in early-stage businesses comes with risk, which is why the UK government offers generous tax incentives to encourage investors. The first major benefit is income tax relief. When you invest in a VCT share offer, you can claim up to 30% in income tax relief. For example, invest £10,000 and you could receive £3,000 back in tax relief, assuming you've paid enough tax. The maximum VCT investment per tax year is £200,000, meaning you could save up to £60,000 in income tax. Next, there's tax-free capital gains. Any growth in your VCT investment is free from capital gains tax. And third, VCT dividends are also tax-free. For example, a VCT might pay a tax-free dividend of 5p per share. A taxable investment would need a dividend of 8.24p for an additional rate taxpayer to match this return. However, dividends are not guaranteed, and tax benefits depend on your circumstances and tax rules at the time. While the benefits are appealing, it's important to understand the risks. VCTs invest in small businesses, which are more volatile and more likely to fail than larger companies. To keep your income tax relief, you must hold your VCT shares for at least 5 years. Unlike regular shares, VCTs are not highly liquid. If you want to sell, it may take time and you might have to sell at a discount. Also, be aware that there are restrictions on tax relief if you buy and sell shares in the same VCT within 6 months. If you already hold VCT shares and are looking to sell, the Walker Crips share dealing team is here to help. Visit walkercrips.co.uk/sharedealing for more information. For more investment insights, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next episode of the Walker Crips Guide to Investing. If you'd like to find out more about the investment services provided by Walker Crips Investment Management, please get in touch using the contact details in the description below.